Welcome to StockInvest YouTube channel and this stock report for Ford. The report was first published on our website Friday, September 23, 2022, but this is a more detailed version. Our aim is to help you answer the question, should I buy or sell Ford? In this video, you will get insight into the technical and fundamental situation and future price predictions. Please remember to subscribe, hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new updated video. Since September 19, 2022, our system ranks the Ford stock as a sell candidate, giving it a score of -1.885. In this period the stock has had a loss of -17.55%. This is an average return of -3.51% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for Ford, our last headline reads, Ford stock price ended on $12.31 on Friday after losing 3.6%. The Ford stock price fell by -3.60% on the last day, Friday, September 23, 2022, from $12.77 to $12.31. It has now fallen 5 days in a row. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 4.1% from a day low at $11.95 to a day high of $12.44. The price has fallen in 7 of the last 10 days and is down by -20.17% for this period. Volume has increased on the last day by 22 million shares but on falling prices. This may be an early warning and the risk will be increased slightly over the next couple of days. In total, 104 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $1.28 billion. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $25.87, and the lowest price was $10.61. Right now the price is 52.42%, or $13.56, below 52-week high at $25.87, which also is all-time high for the stock. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible 27.32% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between 27.32% and 87.14%. The 12-month trend indicates a -23.46% change over the next 12 months with a possible return between -53.96% and 29.29%. This equals a price between $5.67 and $15.92 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. From analysts, Ford stock received a general strong buy rating. The analysts give PE ratio a strong buy and price to book a strong buy rating. For the return on investment, the analysts give the Ford stock a neutral rating. In this section we will give you some information about signals found for Ford. We will start with the general picture before we move on some of the most famous indicators and signals that will give you a deeper and better understanding of the trading possibilities in the stock. There are few to note technical positive signals at the moment. The Ford stock holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a more negative forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general sell signal from the relation between the two signals where the long-term average is above the short-term average. On corrections up, there will be some resistance from the lines at $13.68 and $15.16. A breakup above any of these levels will issue buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, August 16, 2022, and so far it has fallen -25.08%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Volume rose on falling prices yesterday. This may be an early warning and the stock should be followed more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence holds a sell signal. Pivots gave a sell signal 28 days ago. Bollinger gave a buy signal 2 days ago. The short-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a sell signal 10 days ago. The long-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a sell signal 10 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages in the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 10 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average gave a sell signal 10 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a sell signal 5 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages gave a buy signal 37 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for Ford. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $11.65 and $11.20. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock then may fall to the next support level. In this case, Ford finds support just below today's level at $11.65. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $11.20 and $11.06. This stock has average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the stock moved 49 cents between high and low, or 4.1%. For the last week, the stock has had daily average volatility of 4.94%. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for Ford. The price-to-earnings ratio, P/E ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. Ford currently has a price-earning ratio of 4.42. This is a relatively low price-to-earnings ratio and either signal a low expectation for the future of the company, or that the stock is undervalued and could indicate a buying opportunity. Next upcoming earnings report for Q3 2022 is expected to be released October 25, 2022. The consensus among the analysts are 44 cents. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, Ford meets first resistance at $13.09. If you do not hold Ford shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, Ford finds first level of support at $11.65, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. In the table we have listed other potential swing trading levels based on the famous Fibonacci model. The average ratings combined from several analyst sources for Ford is strong buy. Here are some of the latest insider trades. On September 1, 2022, Weinberg John S. made an inside buy of 1,644 of Ford stock units. On September 1, 2022, Weihmeyer John B. made an inside buy of 1,630 of Ford stock units. On September 1, 2022, Vojvodik Lin M. made an inside buy of 1,333 of Ford stock units. On September 1, 2022, Mooney Beth E. made an inside buy of 846 of Ford stock units. On September 1, 2022, Thornton John L. made an inside buy of 3,364 of Ford stock units. Based on the 100 latest insides trades, we have calculated the insider power to be positive at a ratio of 47.004. In total, the insiders bought 3,583,535 and sold 1,254,589 shares in the last 100 trades. We hold a negative evaluation for this stock, no stop loss set. Is Ford stock a buy? The Ford stock holds several negative signals, and despite the positive trend, we believe Ford will perform weakly in the next couple of days or weeks. Therefore, we hold a negative evaluation of this stock. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For the trading on Monday 26th, we expect Ford to open down $0.0767 and start trading at $12.23. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. And remember to subscribe to the channel to get all the latest videos and updates.